everyone, Innovative Noble, Namaskar. Myself Vinny Dardami, the primary teacher of Noble Environment Academy and science teacher as well. So first of all, I would like to welcome you all in this science online class of class 2 and 3. And please subscribe the Noble Environment Academy channel, and I hope you will watch till the end of this class. So okay, now today the topic of our class is about shelter of animals. As we all know that what is the meaning of shelter? Every animals and every human beings need shelter. So here is the short definition of shelter. A place that provides food and protection for people or animals is called shelter. All animals have their own shelter. All animals need shelter to live. A shelter or home protects animals from heat, cold, rain, danger and enemies. Different animals have different types of shelters. Some animals live in their natural homes. Some animals make their homes. We live in homes. We make home for some animals. So the place where we provide food and where we get the protection like for animals and for human beings as well. It is known as shelter. All animals have their own shelter. All animals have their own shelter. All animals need shelter to live. I have already told that every human beings, every animals need shelter to live. Shelter or home protects animals from shelter, which helps to protect human beings, animals from cold, hot, rain, dangers of other animals or enemies. It helps to protect from these kinds of things. Different animals have different types of shelters. Every animals have their own shelter, and the shelter is different. They have their own kinds of shelters. Some animals live in natural home, while some animals live in natural home made by nature, open area. Likewise, other animals they need to make their home. Human beings need to make their home, or some animals can make their home their own self. We live in houses like human beings. Human beings, they used to live in houses. We make home for some animals, and we human beings, we used to make home for some animals that they cannot make. So in this unit, today we are going to study about the shelters of common animals that we see around, or that we know. We will read the shelter of these common animals. Okay. In number one, the topic is some animals build their shelter themselves. There are different kinds of animals we can see around the world. Some animals can make their home, make their shelter themselves. Here are some examples of some animals which they can make their home themselves. In number one, some birds build nest on the trees to lay their eggs. All the birds, they lay eggs. They used to lay their eggs on the trees. They use twigs, straw, roots, leaf, etc. to make their nest. Birds used to make their nest themselves with the help of twigs, straw, roots, leaf, etc. They used to make their home with the help of these things. You can see the picture also. The bird sitting inside the nest. Bird used to make their home nest themselves. Now next one is woodpecker. Woodpecker makes a hole on the tree trunk. woodpecker also used to live in the tree. They used to make their home themselves on the tree. They make hole on the tree with the help of trunk, and they used to sit inside the tree. You can see the pictures also. Now next one is sloth. Sloth bird build their muddy home and live there. They used to build with the help of mud, and they used to sit there. They used to make their home themselves. Now next one is a rabbit makes a burrow to live, and rats make holes. A rabbit, they used to live in a burrow. They used to make their home themselves, and the rat, all the rat, they used to make a hole, and they used to sit inside the hole. Next one is spider. A spider spins a web to live. They used to spin a web and live there. Similarly, honeybees. Honeybees make a hive. Honeybees, they used to make a hive outside the house or a tree. They used to make a hive and they used to sit there. Now, in second topic, it is about some animals live in natural shelter. All the animals, they did not stay at home or a shelter. They used to live in an open area, natural home. And here are some examples. Some wild animals like tiger, lion, rhinoceros, elephant and monkey do not make their shelters. They find natural shelters and live there. The natural shelter of some animals are given below. In most of the wild animals, they used to live in natural home, in open area. They did not need any shelter. They can sit in natural home. They used to sit in natural home. Wild animals, for example, tiger, lion, rhinoceros, elephant and monkey. They do not make their shelter. They used to live in natural home. They find natural shelter and live there. They used to find the natural area, natural home, and they used to live there. The natural shelter of some animals are given below. Likewise, you can see in the picture. Here is the picture of lion. Lion used to live in a den. Lion used to live in a den. The shelter of lion is known as den. Likewise, you can see snake. Snake used to live inside the hole. It is natural shelter. It is used to live inside the hole. And next one is monkey. The monkey used to live on the tree. That is natural, made by nature. So they used to live in open area, natural area. Now third one is we make shelters for some animals. Likewise, there are many animals that they cannot make their shelters themselves. We have to make shelter for them. So here are some examples. Some animals like cow, buffalo, goat, dog, horse and oxes are kept at our homes. These are the animals that we use to keep our home, and these animals are called as domestic animals. We call them domestic animals. Those animals that we use to keep our home, they used to call the wild animal. Domestic animals. Now here are some examples. We make shelters for these animals. We used to make the shelters for their safety. To stay them, we used to make the shelter for their safety. Some domestic animals and their shelters are given below. Here are some domestic animals that which we kept in our home and their shelters. In first picture, here is a cow. Cow used to live in a shed. The shelter of cow is known as shed. Next one is dog. A dog lives in a kennel. The shelter of dog is known as kennel. Now in fourth number, it is some animals have their own shelter. I have already told you that some animals, they do not need to we do not need to build the shelter for them. They have their own shelter. You can see here some animals like snail, tortoise and turtle, they have hard protective shelters in their own body. They have the protective shelter in their own bodies. These animals hide inside the shelter if they feel danger. They used to hide themselves inside them too while they feel danger. Here is the picture: tortoise, snail and turtle. These are the animals that they used to have their own shelter themselves. Now next one is some animals live in water. We also know that there are some animals who used to live inside the water. Now let's see. Water animals may breathe air through lungs or gills by extracting the oxygen that is present in water. Some of the water animals live in fresh water are called freshwater animals, and those living in salt water are called sea animals. Some animals like fish, shark, whale and octopus live in water. These animals are called aquatic animals. All the water animals, they used to breathe air through lungs or gills. They used to breathe from lungs or gills by extracting the oxygen that present inside the water. Some water animals live in fresh water are called freshwater animals. Those animals which live in fresh water, they are known as freshwater animals, and those animals which live in salt water, those animals are known as sea animals. Some animals like fish, shark, whale and octopus, they used to live in water. These are all water animals. These animals are also known as aquatic animals. Now in number 6, it is the last topic. It is about some animals live in grass and bushes. There are some animals which also live in grass, and they are like deer, grasshopper, squirrel and scorpion live in grass and bushes. They used to live in grass and bushes. Here is the deer, grasshopper and what is this? Squirrel. These are the animals who used to live in grass. Okay, now we have learned about the meaning of shelter. Now what did you have learned? What do you mean by shelter? The place that provides us food and protects us, these are known as shelter. All the animals have their own shelter. We have already learned that shelter used to protect us from hot, cold, danger, rain and enemies. All the animals have different shelters. Some live in natural home, or while some used to make their home themselves. And here is the some animals which they can make their home themselves. These are birds. Birds used to live in a nest and they make their home themselves. Next one is woodpecker. Woodpecker lives in tree trunk. And next one is sloth. Swallows lives in muddy home. And next one is rabbit. Rabbit used to live in burrow, and rat makes their home themselves. They used to live in holes. And next one is spider. Spider used to web to live. They live in web. Similarly, honeybees, the honeybees make a hive. And here is some animals that used to live in natural home, which they do not need any shelter to live. These are maximum, these are wild animals like tiger, lion, rhinoceros, elephant and monkey. They do not make their shelter. They used to live in natural home. Like tiger used to live in den, snake is in hole, monkeys is in tree. Now next one is some animals that human beings have to make the shelter for them. Like these are most of these animals are known as domestic animals like cow, buffalo, goat, dog, horse, oxes, pigs. They all are domestic animals, and they used to keep at our home, at human beings home, and these are known as also domestic animals. And human beings have to make shelter for their safety. Like cow used to live in shade, dog lives in a kennel. There are lots of other examples as well. Now next one is animals that used to have their own shelter. Some animals, they have their own shelters, which they hide inside to stay away from danger. If they feel danger, they used to get inside, like snail, tortoise and turtle. These are the animals which they have their own shelter. Now next one is animals that live in water. These are the animals which live in water, like fish, shark, whale, octopus. They used to live inside the water. Those animals which live in fresh water, they are called fresh animals, and those animals which live in salt water, they are known as sea animals. And also these all animals are known as aquatic animals. Now last one is animals that live in grass or bushes. Grasshopper, squirrel used to live in grass or bushes. Okay, now it's time for homework for class 2 and 3. You have already known many things about today's lesson. I hope you will do this homework by yourself. Whatever you have learned today, you can write your own answer. Whatever you have understood, write your own answer. Okay, now in one number, what is shelter? What do you have understood about shelter? So write down what is shelter. Into what are aquatic animals? Which type of animals or what kind of animals is known as aquatic animals? You have to write it. Also write the examples also. If you understood what are the aquatic animals, write the examples as well. In 3 number, write the names of animals which build their shelters themselves. You have to write the names of animals which build their shelters themselves. Which animals can make their shelters themselves? You have to write the name. Next one is write the names of animals and their shelters which live in natural home. Write the names of animals which they do not use to make their home, or they do not use to need any home. Just write down the natural living animals. Which animals used to live in nature's home, in open area, nature's home. You have to write the names. And last one, name any 2 animals that live in grass. In last topic we have already learned. Just write down the names of only 2 animals that used to live in grass. Okay. Now this much for today. Our class is finished. I hope you will learn and study more at your home. and don't forget to subscribe our school's channel. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.